This is something that people ask me how to do all the time. How do I take a data set that I have, a CSV or an Excel spreadsheet, and cause it to update a table I already have in Coda? Why do people ask me how to do this? Normally to get data from one system into Coda where it's easy to work with. Normally that can be done by a pack or an API, but if you have an old system that doesn't allow you to connect via an integration or in some other automatic way, a quick CSV merge is the easiest way to do that. I'm gonna show you how to do that really simply right now. All right, so here I have a table of all staff members, and let's say I want to update this weekly because we're hiring tons of people. Well, instead of having to do that manually, maybe changing where they're from, changing when they're hired or adding new people, all I can do is take the CSV, download it to my system, and then I'm going to import it. I've already downloaded a changed one, and we'll see how that works. It's gonna be done in just a few clicks. Copy or click on the three dots next to the name of the table. If the table name is gone, you should still see those three dots. If you don't see them, your doc might be locked. You need to unlock it. Let's click on that and let's press import CSV. When you do, you're going to need to add a file. So I'm going to add a file. I did just download one and it is called new staff members CSV. I'm going to upload that and make sure that it's going to the correct location. It will be, and use first row as headers. You want that. Let's press next. You're going to get an opportunity to map information over here. When I say map, that means like what column from the CSV that you're uploading should go to what column in Coda. And Coda will automatically map columns if the name matches exactly. So that's the easiest way to do it without any work, is not changing your names. But maybe your CSV has really weird names and you want better user-facing names in Coda. That's fine. You'll just have to come and manually map those out. But I have all mine mapped. And then lastly, there's this small little section down here that says merge rows. You'll see right now that says 17 new rows will be created, but I don't want to do that because I also want to update old rows and I don't want to duplicate. So come down to merge rows. You'll open it up and it asks you to select a key column. A key column simply means some sort of unique identifier. If you don't have a unique identifier, that's a problem. We can figure that out. Let me know in the comments if you're struggling with that. For this emails are by default unique. Always, it's like a license plate number, so we can trust that that is a unique identifier for each row and it never duplicates. So I'm going to choose email. And when I do that, you'll see here that it says 2 new rows will be created and 15 existing rows will be updated. Let's import that in. Now we're up to 17 staff members. You'll see that there. And it updated every single row. You'll see that it moved everyone to Texas and a ton of people to sales. That is how you quickly and easily update a table with CSV. Let me know your questions in the comments.